Hello everybody, and welcome back to the Wellness Soldier Cooking with Cannabis series. My name is Cody Lindsay, and today we have everybody's pub classic favorite, buffalo wings with ranch dressing. We're going to be using Peace Naturals White Widow cannabis oil to infuse the ranch dressing, as well as the buffalo sauce. Let's get started. We got our half cup of butter. We're going to pour that in. We're going to wait till it gets nice and melted. We're going to add the red hot sauce. You can use Frank's or any other kind that you like. And then we're going to add our garlic powder and cayenne pepper. And now we have our vinegar and Worcestershire sauce. We're just going to let that simmer, let all the flavors marinate. Everybody gets happy, everybody's loving each other, saying hi, everybody's having a good time. Just let that bubble up a little bit. You can use cannabis butter in place of the butter, but today, since we're trying to show how to use LP cannabis oil, we're going to use the oil afterwards. So we're going to take a little bit of the sauce, we're going to mix it in a bowl with the wings, with our oil, mix it all up, and then you have individualized medicated chicken wings. Now, what would a buffalo chicken wing be without some ranch dressing? We got a half cup of mayonnaise, we got a half cup of sour cream, we got a half a teaspoon of chives, parsley, onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of salt, and now we're just going to add that half cup of buttermilk just to make it that nice dressing consistency, and then just mix it all up. All right, so chicken wings are done. Let's grab them out of the oven. Chicken wings are, you can have them fried, you can have them deep fried, you can have them baked, you can have them boiled, you can have them any way you want. Today we just threw them in the oven, threw a little salt and pepper on them. Give it a quick stir. Make sure everything's incorporated nicely. Then we're gonna just spoon some in. Just enough to coat. Now add your dosage of cannabis oil. We're gonna add 1 milliliter from Peace Naturals, which is 26.4 milligrams of THC. Just like the chicken wings were infused in a single batch, we're gonna do the same thing to the buttermilk ranch. So we're gonna take our Peace Naturals cannabis oil. Again, we're just gonna go a nice, simple 1 mil, 26.5 milligrams of THC. And there we go, buffalo chicken wings with ranch sauce. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for joining us.